9 foods to avoid on empty stomach. If you want to stay healthy in 2013, a joint analysis of 15 most popular diets by American College of Cardiology, Heart Association and Obesity Society revealed what all those diets have in common. Apparently all of them advise eating a lot of vegetables, avoiding added sugar and reducing the consumption of processed food. Yet one important issue is often forgotten, the fact that some foods, however healthy, should never be eaten on empty stomach. 1. Banana. Although there is a specific diet called the morning banana diet which promote eating one or more bananas for breakfast or nothing else, eating bananas on empty stomach might not be the best idea. It is true that bananas are full of potassium, fiber and magnesium, but they are also acidic and contain a lot of sugar. Eating acidic food on empty stomach can cause problem in the intestine, and getting a boost of sugar in the morning can make you feel drowsy and energy drained after a couple of hours. These problems can be solved if you mix banana with other foods. 2. Yogurt. Despite the idea that yogurt, the fruit breakfast, is healthy and promote the weight loss, not all yogurt are good option. Commonly available yogurt are full of added sugars as well as 0% fat of yogurt. To compensate for losses fat in non-fat yogurt, artificial sweetener is added. Finally, not all yogurts contain enough protein. The safest option would be go for a plain Greek style yogurt and sweeten it yourself with honey or fruit. 3. Premixed oatmeal. Oatmeal is a very healthy option for breakfast as oats are high in fiber, vitamin, protein and do not contain gluten. However, instant oatmeal package have lots of added sugar, salt and artificial coloring. If you really don't have time to prepare a regular oats, only choose the unsweetened plant and pay attention its prevention and fiber content. 4. Raw green vegetable. Although vegetables are greeny, eating them on an empty stomach may cause irritation in some people and can even lead to gas, bloating and abdominal pain. One of the reasons for that is the insoluble fiber contained in most green, which should be particularly avoided by people in digestive problem. 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins, low in calories and nutrients. However, they should not consume on empty stomach as they can cause stomachache and general. Similar to some green vegetables, tomatoes contain soluble astringent, causing a reaction with gastric acid. 6. Citrus fruit. Eating citrus fruit on empty stomach should be avoided by people diagnosed with diabetes or by those who have sensitive stomach. High acidic fruits such as orange, lemon and grapefruit can negatively interact with our digestive juices and causes irritation, heartburn, gastric problem. Additionally, fruits high in carbohydrate can raise morning sugar level, which can be dangerous for diabetes. If you want to improve your digestive health, add walnut to your breakfast. 7. Cold beverage. Cold drinks any type stomach can cause irritation of the stomach and intestine. You should be specially concerned about the carbohydrate beverage as they result bloating and general uncomfortable feeling in the stomach. It is more advisable to have a glass of warm water in the morning before having your breakfast, as it is improve digestion, circulation and help with weight loss. 8. Pears. Although pears are generally healthy snacks, fruit, vitamins, potassium and low in calories, it is advisable to avoid eating pears for breakfast. Pears can contain fiber which can damage the stomach and delicate muscles when eaten on empty stomach. It is especially true for hard pears. This does not mean that you should avoid pears altogether. In fact, most studies show that people who eat pears are less likely to become obese and tend to have more high quality diet. 9. Smoothies. There is nothing wrong with having a smoothie for breakfast, but only for the correctly balanced and combined with other food. More often than not, your smoothie can help being a low in calories and protein as it only contains carbohydrate, most of them being from sugar. To solve this problem, avoid sweetening your stomach and find a way add the protein. and fat. It's like with yogurt and avocados. Alternatively, you can drink your smoothie alongside scrambled egg. Bonus: eating garlic and honey on empty stomach. Surprisingly, garlic and honey is a very good combination of food to consume on empty stomach, as they can help prepare your stomach to metabolic food in the most optimal. Prepare the mixture. Combine 12 chopped clove, garlic and jar of honey and leave them in a hard dark place for 1 week. Eat 1 tablespoon full day before your first meal for the best results.